Good morning, children. Happy to see you all again. Some of you might be remembering me. I am Sony Sarah Matthews, teaching you General Science. In the last class, you have learned about Chapter 3, Useful Animals. Let us recall what you have learned in the last class. You have studied about dairy farming, poultry farming, wool, silk, load carriers and pet animals. What is the difference between dairy farming and poultry farming? In dairy farming, animals are reared for milk and milk products. Example, cow, goat, buffalo. Then in poultry farming, birds are reared for eggs and meat. Example, hen, duck, turkey. Then wool. From where do we get wool? From sheep and yak. Then do you remember what is shearing? Yes, it is the process of removal of skin from animals. That process is called shearing. Then next, you studied about silk. From where do we get silk? Yes, silk is obtained from the cocoon of the silkworm. What is cocoon? Cocoon is a protective covering made of silk thread around the silkworm. Then, do you remember load carriers? Yes, they are animals used to carry people or goods from one place to another. Example, camel, donkey, elephant. Then next you studied about pet animals. Cat, dog, parrot, etc. are examples of pet animals. And this dog has a keen sense of smell. That is why they are used to detect bombs by police and also to catch thieves. So these are the things you have studied in the previous class. Now today we are going to discuss about some other products obtained from animals. Let us see one by one. Now the first one is leather. You all might have seen products made of leather. From where do we get this leather? Yes, it is from the skin of animals such as buffalo, cow, camel and sheep. So the skin of these animals, buffalo, cow, camel and sheep are used to produce leather. Then in some countries, leather is also made from the skin of snakes and crocodiles. See, this is the leather obtained from the skin of snakes and this is the picture of the leather obtained from the skin of crocodiles. Then let us see the uses of leather. The leather is used to make shoes, bags, belts, wallets, jackets and suitcases. What is wallets? See, this is wallet. You know, these leather products are very costly. Why? Because it is taken from the skin of these animals. And you all might have known that the shoes you wear, leather shoes, it's very costly. So which are the animals taken, leather is taken from? Buffalo, cow, camel, sheep. Then in some countries, it is also taken from the skin of snakes and crocodiles. Then the next product is fur. Fur is obtained from the hair of animals such as rabbits, foxes and squirrels. So fur is obtained from the hair of animals such as rabbits, foxes and squirrels. What are the uses of fur? Yes, this fur is used in cold countries to make coats, caps and shawls. Then squirrel's hair was earlier used to make the bristles. This is the picture of that bristles. Bristles of hair brushes and paint brushes. But now this is not permitted by law. Then the next product is horns. Horns are obtained from animals such as deer, rhinoceros, the third one is sheep. So horns are obtained from animals such as deer, rhinoceros and sheep. Let us see the uses of horns. You all might have seen these type of products made from horns. Horns are used to make ornaments, then combs, knives and decorative items. So horns are used to make ornaments, combs, knives and decorative items. Then the next product is ivory. Have you heard about ivory? Yes, it's a highly valuable product obtained from elephant tusk. But the government all over the world have banned ivory trade. What do you mean by banned? That means it is prevented by law. What? For hunting animals for hunting elephants for tusk. So that is prohibited by law. So government all over the world have banned ivory trade to prevent the large-scale killing of elephants for their tusk. Remember, in shearing of wool and milking of cow, we are not doing any harm for cow or for sheep. Sheep will produce more wool and cow will also produce more milk. But here, by taking leather from the skin of animals, or when elephants are hunted for ivory, we are actually doing a harm to these animals. So that is why the government have banned this ivory trade. Then the next product is manure. Now, animal dung is used to make manure. Then what is manure? That is made from animal dung, and it is added to the soil to get good yield of the crops. So animal dung is used to make manure. Then farmers use this manure to improve the fertility of soil and also increase the yield of crops. So remember, animal dung is used to make manure, and it improves the fertility of soil. That means you will get a good yield of the crops. Fertility of soil and increase the yield of crops. Then the next important product is biogas. Have you heard about biogas? I think some of you might be using it in your house. So that's a fuel obtained from plant and animal waste. Biogas is a fuel obtained from plant and animal waste. This biogas can also be produced from cow dung. So biogas can also be produced from cow dung. This is the plant for making biogas. See, this is connected to the stove, and when it is open, the fire will come. So remember, biogas can be produced from cow dung. The next is insects. See, insects are also very useful to us. We get honey. Have you eaten honey? And beeswax. This is a picture of beeswax. So we get honey and beeswax from bees. So we get honey and beeswax from bees. Next is a new term, lac. L-A-C, lac. Have you seen this lac? In some trees you can see that. Now this lac is a sticky substance secreted by an insect called lac insect. This is the picture of lac insect. So this lac insect secretes a sticky substance. See this picture? That sticky substance, and this sticky substance acts as a protective covering for the insect. So lac is a sticky substance secreted by the lac insect. Then what is the use of this lac? Now in India, it is used as a skin cosmetic. What is cosmetic? Cosmetics are substances applied to the human body for beautifying our appearance and also for cleansing purposes. Face powder, nail polish, lipstick, etc. are examples of cosmetics. So here this lac is used as a skin cosmetic. See that we can apply it on our face or on our body. Then the second use is, it is used as a dye for wool and silk products. This lac dye, that is in powder form. So that to give dye means to add color for this wool and silk. So this dye is added to these wool and silk threads for giving color. So remember, lac is a sticky substance secreted by which insect? Yes, lac insect. Then two uses. In India, it is used as a skin cosmetic, and second one as a dye for wool and silk. The next one is ladybird beetle. Ladybird beetle. Have you seen this one? Now this ladybird beetle help farmers by eating small insects found in the fields. And these small insects that is very harmful found in plants, they are known as aphids. So the small insects found in fields, they are known as aphids. A-P-H-I-D-S. Aphids. Then what is the use? So that prevents these ladybird beetle will eat these small insects and thus prevents damage to crops. So ladybird beetle, it helps farmers by eating small insects found in fields. Now, all of you open your textbook, page number 158. The dash of some animals are used to make combs, knives and decorative articles. Four options are here: hair, horns, eggs, claws. Which is the answer? Yes, horns. Second one, biogas is a fuel produced from dash: cow dung, leather, cotton, wool. Answer is cow dung. Third one, dash is obtained from lac insects. Options are lac, beeswax, lace, cotton. This answer? Yes, lac. Number 4, ladybird beetles help farmers by eating small dash. Options: insects, plants, leaves, fruits. Answer is yes, insects. What are these small insects called? Yes, aphids. Then take page number 160. That is also choose the correct answer. Rearing animals for milk and milk products is called dash: poultry farming, dairy farming, silk farming, sericulture. So the answer is dairy farming. Next one, animal dung is used as dash by the farmers. Options: manure, pesticides, insecticides, preservatives. This answer? Yes, manure. Next one, number 3, lac is used as dash in India? Gum, skin cosmetic, fuel, manual. So the answer is skin cosmetic. Number 4, oxen are useful for dash. First one, sowing seeds, plowing the fields, guarding homes, weeding the field. Which one is correct? Yes, plowing the fields. Okay, then number 5, certain breeds of dash are used by the policeman to detect bombs. Options, cats, dogs, cows, pigeons. That you all might know, dogs. Then page number 160, write true or false. In the text it is given as, you can put tick for true and wrong mark for false. First one, farm animals are used only to transport people. Is it true? Yes? No, that's wrong. So I am writing here only F for false. You have to write the full word, F-A-L-S-E, false. Second one, hens are reared for silk. Is it true? No. So that is also false. Third one, an elephant is called the ship of the desert. Is it true? Again wrong. So that's also false. Then which is called the ship of the desert? Yes, camel. Then fourth one, the skin of some animals is used to make leather products. Today we have studied which are the animals? You remember? So the answer is true. Then fifth one, the government has banned ivory trade. Is it true? Yes, it is also true. Then this is a small exercise. Fill in the blanks. First one, dash is called the ship of the desert. Can anybody tell? That is called camel. Second one, we get dash and dash from bees. Today we have studied two products, honey and beeswax. Number 3, dash is a fuel produced from cow dung. The answer is, tell me, yes, biogas. Number 4, dash is used to plow the field. Which is the animal used? Oxen. Then number 5, dash is obtained from elephant tusk. Remember? Do you remember that? Yes, it is ivory. Then the sixth one, skin of animals is used to produce. What's the answer? Yes, leather. So the skin of animals is used to produce leather. Last one, dash improves the fertility of soil. Anybody? Okay, that's manure. So manure improves the fertility of soil. Then I'm giving you one assignment. Make a poster to spread awareness against killing animals. So you have to write that assignment in your notebook. Study well. Exams are coming soon. May God bless you all, dear children. Thank you. Then if you have any doubt, you can contact me in my number.